Pre-final examination mathematics part B, 20 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. From Medak district, March 2023, from Telangana Medak district paper. So here the first question is, if n is a natural number, then 6 power n minus 5 power n. So you can take any natural number and you can check the answer, like 6 power 1 minus 5 power 1. I'm taking 1, so 6 minus 1. So always ends with like 6 power 1 minus 5 power 1, 6 minus 5, the answer is 1. You can take the other number, so 6 square minus 5 square. 6 square is 36 and 5 square is 25. So 36 minus 25, so it's 11. You can try one more, 6 cube minus 5 cube. So here 6 power anything always ends with 6 and 5 power anything always ends with 5. So the last digit will be, always it will be 1. So here the correct option is A. Next one, the decimal expansion of 7 by 8. See, 7 if I divide with 8. So as it will not go, so decimal 7, 8 times 8, 64. So 6 already point is this, so 8 times 7, 56. So 4, 8 times 5, 40. So answer is 0.875. So the correct option is C. Next one, set builder form. Third question, set builder form of -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. See, these all are, see, natural numbers. It's not the answer because they are like integers from -2 to +2. So here see, integers, second one is also wrong because integers less than 3. Less than 3 means like 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, so on, infinite it is. And the fourth option is also wrong because they don't from -2 to 2, but here it says here x is less than 2, means you cannot take 2, you should take from 1, 0 and greater than -2, so you can take only -1. But here in the set we have -2, so correct option is C because x belongs to integers and from -2 here less than or equal to, so we can take 2 also. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. If the set has 64 subsets, then the number of elements in it. So here number of elements, cardinal number we need to find. So number of subsets, the formula is 2 power n. So 2 power n is 64. So 2 power n equals 2 power 6. So n value is 6. So the number of elements are, correct option here is D. Next one, product of two zeros of the polynomial is 3. Then its third zero is. See, already alpha into beta, we can consider it as like alpha into beta is given. So we need to find the third zero. So I'll use it's a cubic polynomial. So I'll use the formula alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. So if you compare the polynomial with the standard one, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, the value of a is 2, b is 6, c is -4 and d is 9. So alpha into beta is given already, which is 3. I need to find gamma minus d. D value is 9 and a value is 2. So here 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So the third zero is -3 by 2. So the correct option is B. Next one, the value of p of x at x equals 2. So p of x is here 3x square minus 5x plus 2 at x equals 2. So 3 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 2. So 3 times 2 square is 4, 5 times 2 10 plus 2. 3 times 4 12, 12 minus 10 plus 2. So 12 plus 2 14, 14 minus 10, so the answer is 4. So the correct option is A. The value of k for which the system of equations, two equations are given over here. So two equations are like kx minus y equals to 6x minus 2y equals 3. So the condition for unique solution is intersecting lines a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So here k by 6 is not equal to minus 1 by minus 2. 2 cancel. So k is not equal to 6 by 2. So k is not equal to 3. So k is not equal to 3. The correct option is B. The value of k for which x square minus kx plus 9 equals 0 has equal roots. So roots are equal. Roots are equal. So discriminant b square minus 4ac is 0. So here in place of b we have minus k. 4 times a is 1, c is 9 equals 0. So k square minus 4 times 9 is 36. K square equals 36. So k equals plus or minus root 36, which is nothing but plus or minus 6. Here k is both answers, like k equals plus or minus 6. So plus or minus 6, but if you observe the question here, k is greater than 0. So very good question, this question. See, k is greater than 0 means only the positive value. So the correct option is A. Correct option is A. Now next one. The 7th term and 13th term of an arithmetic progression are 7th term is given, 13th term also given. 13th term is 64. 7th term an formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 60. A plus 13 minus 1, which is 12d. So if I'll simplify these two equations here, these two equations if I'll solve, so I'll get here a plus 12d is 64, a plus 60 is 34. So here 12 minus 6 is 6d, 64 minus 34 0, and here 3. So d is 30 by 6, which is nothing but 5. So the value of d is 5. The value of d is 5. Now if I'll substitute this in the first equation, a plus 6 into 5 is 34. I'm substituting over here. A plus 6 times 5 is 30, is 34. A equals 34 minus 30, so the value of A is 4. Now we need to find the fourth term. So A4. A4 is A plus 3D. So that if you will see, A is 4 plus 3 times 5. 4 plus 15, which is nothing but 19. So the fourth term is 19. Correct option is C. The midpoint of the line segment joining tan 45 cosec 30 and sec 60 degrees cot 45. We need to find the midpoint. So before that, the values if you will write. See, tan 45 is 1 and cosec 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cosec 30 is 2. And here sec 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, so sec 60 is 2, cot 45 is 1. So we need to find the midpoint. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now if I will substitute the values, 1 plus 1 plus 2 by 2, 2 plus 1 by 2. So it is 3 by 2, comma 3 by 2. So the correct option is C. Next question. A man goes 24 meters towards west, then towards north. So 24 meters towards west, then towards north 7 meters. So what they want to say is it's perpendicular. How far is he from the starting point? So we need to find AC. So just apply Pythagoras theorem. So AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So AB is 24 square plus 7 square, which is 576 plus 49, which is 625. AC square is 625, so AC is under root 625, which is nothing but 25 centimeters. So correct option is C. Next question, if you'll see, important question. This question may come for like 2 marks also. The value of sine theta in terms of tan theta. Okay, so here see, tan theta you want in terms of tan. So tan theta you consider as K by 1. Then so tan is opposite by adjacent. So here if I'll take this as theta, opposite is K, adjacent is 1. I'll apply Pythagoras theorem, I'll get the value of AC. AC square is AB square plus BC square. So K square plus 1 square. So AC square is this. So AC will be under root K square plus 1. Now find out sine theta. So sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is K, hypotenuse is under root K square plus 1. But what is K? K is nothing but tan theta. So tan theta by under root tan square theta plus 1. So tan theta by under root tan square theta plus 1. So the correct option is B. B. You can solve this one by using identities also. Like for example, you need sine theta in terms of tan theta. So sine theta you can write as 1 by cosec. There will be 2 ways. So I took reciprocal. So next step I'll go for like identity. Here I took reciprocal. Now next step identity. So cosec identity is cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. So under root. Now cot, if I'll change in terms of, now see, reciprocal, identity, next step again reciprocal. So 1 by under root 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. So if we take LCM here, LCM is tan square theta. So here you'll get like tan square theta plus 1. So 1 by under root tan square theta plus 1 by tan theta, because under root tan square theta is tan theta. So this I'll take to the numerator. So tan theta by root tan square theta plus 1. This is one method. First here I use reciprocal. So if I'll use identity, so sin theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta you can write as 1 by secant square theta. LCM if you take here, LCM. So secant square theta, and here it is secant square theta minus 1. So if I use the identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So now see, secant square theta minus 1 is 1 plus secant square theta minus 1 is directly tan square theta, and secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So under root tan square theta is tan theta by under root 1 plus tan square is as it is. So in this way we can simplify this. The length of a shadow of a tower on the plain ground is root 3 times, see, length of the shadow is root 3 times height. If Height if we'll consider as h, shadow is root 3 times h. Find the angle of elevation. We need to find theta. So here tan theta is opposite. Opposite is h by adjacent root 3h. So tan theta is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 you'll get in the table for tan 30. So theta is 30 degrees. So the correct option is A. So here PA and PB are two tangents from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other of an angle at an angle of 80 degrees. So here this angle is 80 degrees. So angle between the tangents and where the point of contacts join at the center are supplementary. So it's 100. Here it is 100 degrees. So POA will be 50 because these two triangles are congruent. So this angle and this angle are equal, and here also 40 and 40. So the correct angle is 50. Correct option is A. Next one. If two different dice are rolled, the probability of getting the same number on both the dice. See, on both the dice, like there are 36 outcomes, but same is doublet is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. 6 outcomes out of all 36 outcomes. See, 36 outcomes will write like this: 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. In this way again we'll start with like 2 1, 2 2 like that. So you'll get all 36 outcomes. In that 36, getting the same number on both the dice is 6 outcomes, because we'll call it as doublet: 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. So 6 times 1, 6 times 6. So the correct option is 1 by 6, C. Next one, probability of an event. So important formula here also. Probability of an event plus probability of an not event is 1. Probability of an event is 0.05. Probability of a not event is 1. Probability of a not event is 1 minus 0.05, which is nothing but 0.95. 0.95, so the correct option is D. The median of first 7 perfect squares. So first 7 perfect squares are like 1, 4, 2 square, 3 square, 9, 16, 25, 36, 40. So these are the first 7 perfect squares, 49. So here the median is the middlemost value, and here odd number of observations. So the formula is n plus 1 by 2 observation. So 7 plus 1 by 2, which is 8 by 2, which is nothing but 4th observation. 4th observation is the median, or you can just cross out from start because observations are less. So median is 16, so the correct option is B. Next one, the mean of frequency distribution is 7. So mean is given 7, so mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So if you calculate, mean is 7, sigma fi xi is 120 plus 3k by 30. 7 times 3, 210 equals 120 plus 3k. So if you transpose 120, 210 minus 120 is 3k. So 210 minus 120 is 90 equals 3k. So 90 by 3 equals k. So k value is 30. So the correct option is D. Next one, the surface area of two spheres. Surface area of two spheres. So two spheres I'll consider as like 4 pi 1 I'll consider as r1 square by 4 pi r2 square equals 16 by 9. 4 pi and 4 pi cancel. So r1 by r2, if I write whole square, equals 16 by 9. So square if I transpose, so r1 by r2 value is under root 16 by 9, which is nothing but 4 by 3. Now we need to find the ratio of their volumes. So if we'll calculate ratio of their volumes here, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube by 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. R1 cube by R2 cube, which is nothing but R1 by R2 whole cube. So R1 by R2 is 4 by 3 whole cube, which is 64 by 27. So the correct option is B. Two cubes, each of volume 8 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Then total surface area of the resulting cube. So here, two cubes are joined end to end. So in this way. So when two cubes are joined, we'll get a shape like cuboid. We'll get a cuboid. So volume of a cube is 8. So a cube is 8. So a cube equals 2 cube. So edge is 2. So if edge is 2, here the length will be 4, breadth will be 2, and height will be 2. So now we need to find total surface area. So total surface area is of cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. 2 times length is 4, breadth is 2, breadth is 2, height is 2, height is 2, length is 4. So 2 times 8 plus 4 plus 8. 2 times 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20. So which is nothing but 40 centimeter square. 40 centimeter square, correct option is C.